Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install BlueStacks Android emulator on PC. You can play games, you can play Android apps on your computer or laptop. So let's get started. Link in the description. Just click on it and you will see this official website of BlueStacks.com. So just click on download BlueStack. You will see this. Start download. Click open. Click yes. And now just click on install now. Before this you have to see accept software license and receive email notification. Just if it is checked, then uncheck it. Click on install. It is downloading the file BlueStacks 4. So 530 MB. It will take almost around 15 to 25 minutes. So I will come back after that when it's finished. As you guys can see, downloading finished and it is installing automatically. So it is going to almost 100%. Finishing post installation steps. That was start automatically installation. Installation is complete. So let's see. So this is BlueStacks. It is opening now automatically after installation. I will do it later. As you guys can see it. This is BlueStacks. Sign in your Gmail ID and download games, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want. You can run any Android app in this BlueStack. You can run any application in this software. Enjoy the software. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video.